Hi guys, so we've just moved into our new home and this is what the extractor fan was looking like when we got here. The dust was so stubborn, as you can see even the vacuum wasn't really making a dent in it. I started by going in with a small brush just to loosen everything that was stuck between the vents. For the tighter sections, I switched tools so I could pull out some of the dust that the brush wasn't reaching. Guys, so this is definitely not the most glamorous cleaning job, but there is something so satisfying about watching all of the build-up slowly disappear. Then I brought the vacuum in to pick up everything I'd loosened, and this is the point where you can finally start seeing the difference. The vents are looking so much clearer already. And look at the difference. It's such a small thing, but the whole area instantly looks fresher and cleaner. So if you haven't checked your extractor fan in a while, this might be your sign.